Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the system restore point not creating issue in Windows 11. First, make sure system protection is enabled. Open the Start menu, type Create a Restore Point, and open the matching result. In the System Protection tab, select your Windows drive, which is usually the C drive, then click Configure. Choose Turn on System Protection if it is disabled. Move the max usage slider to around 5% to 15% so Windows has enough space to save restore points. Click Apply, then OK. Next, check that the required Windows services are running. Open the Start menu, type Services, and press Enter. Find Volume Shadow Copy, right-click it, and open Properties. Set the startup type to Automatic. If the service is not running, click Start, then select OK. Repeat the same steps for the Task Scheduler service, since it is also required for creating restore points. Finally, repair any damaged system files. Type CMD in Windows Search, right-click Command Prompt, and choose Run as Administrator. In the Command Prompt window, type sfc/scano and press Enter. Let the scan finish completely. If Windows finds corrupted files, it will try to repair them automatically. After the scan is complete, restart your computer and try creating a restore point again. Thanks for watching.